Hello students, welcome to the session. I hope you all are doing good. Our topic for today is skip counting. In today's session, we will understand about skip counting. Skip counting means counting the number by skipping them, by leaving them. Skip counting helps us to count the numbers quickly by putting them into the groups. In today's session, we will do skip counting by 2s and by 5. Let us start the session of skip counting and understand the definition first. Skip counting means to count a number that is not 1. Skip counting का मतलब होता है numbers को count करना by skipping some numbers. It helps us to count many things quickly. Skip counting से हम बहुत सारी चीज़ें बहुत easily count कर सकते हैं. Here we have the skip counting by 2. You can see here students, we have numbers from 1 to 10. We have numbers from 1 to 10. So we will skip the 2 numbers and get as 2. Then we will skip the other 2, other 2, other 2. Here you can see all the numbers are grouped into 2. All the numbers are grouped into 2. They are clubbed together by 2 pairs. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 9 and 10. These are clubbed by 2 numbers together. First number we get is number 2. Then we get the number 4. Then we get number 6. Then 8 and last at 10. So skip counting by 2 we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. We have numbers by skipping 2 numbers, by skipping the numbers in between and get the pattern of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. This is called as skip counting by 2. You can also count forward after 10, like 10, then we will skip 11 and come to 12. We will skip 13 and come to 14. You just have to skip the numbers in between. Let us move forward and understand the concept by counting the fingers and reading the numbers. Here students, you can see the fingers of the hand. Here we have 1, 2 fingers. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 fingers. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 fingers. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 fingers. And then at last you can see all the fingers are open and we have total 10 fingers on our hand. So 10 fingers. Here the numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. This is the skip counting by number 2. Let us move forward and understand skip counting by 5. Here students, you can see the numbers from 1 to 20. We can also do skip countings by 5 numbers. It helps us to put the numbers, club the numbers into the group and count them quickly. Here you can see the numbers have a gap of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The numbers have gap of 5. So the first number we get is number 5. Then after the gap, the next number we are getting is number 10. Then we have 5 gap and the next number is number 15. And then we have 5 gap and the last number we get is number 20. You can easily see here 5, 10, 15, 20. By skipping numbers 5 times, we are getting 5, 10, 15, 20. You can even go further and have numbers like 25, 30, 35, 40 and so on. This means skipping the number by 5 times. This is the skip counting by number 5. Here you can see the objects and let us count the objects. First we have objects of ball. Here you can see the number of balls 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. They are 5 in number. They are clubbed together in a group of 5. Then we have scissors. Let us count that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 scissors. These are 10 scissors. Next we have buttons. Let us count that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We have 15 buttons. And at last we have rings. Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We have 20 rings. So the number of objects are like 5, 10, 15, 20. They are moving by skip counting of 5. You all know, students, by now that skip counting means leaving the numbers in between, skipping the numbers in between and counting forward. It helps us to count quickly. It also gives the power to think us more effectively. That's all for today's session of skip counting.